This video is a few years old. However, it's still relevant.
Released new surveillance pictures of the suspect's pickup truck in the murder of Bianca Robertson. Authorities say the man behind the wheel of this red pickup truck shot and killed the 18-year-old girl on Wednesday afternoon after they were trying to merge into the same lane. The driver is described as a man between the ages of 30 and 40 with a medium build, blonde or light brown hair. He is considered armed and extremely dangerous at this point. Crime Stoppers is now offering a $5,000 reward for information leading to an arrest in this case.
Teenage girl during an apparent road rage attack in Pennsylvania is in custody this morning. Police arrested 28-year-old David Desper yesterday. He is charged with murdering 18-year-old Bianca Robertson. The recent high school graduate died after she was shot in the head on Wednesday. DeMarco Morgan is here with new details about how the attack unfolded. DeMarco, good morning.
Good morning, Jeff. The Chester County District Attorney says there is no indication this is a hate or race-related crime. Desper didn't have a serious criminal record, and prior court records reportedly show he drove an unregistered vehicle and had inspection violations. Bianca Robertson's parents sat in silence on Sunday as authorities announced the arrest of the man that allegedly killed their daughter.
Bianca Robertson, 18 years old, gunned down because somebody didn't want to give way. Somebody didn't want her to merge into a lane of traffic.
David Desper turned himself into police early Sunday morning. He was arrested and charged with first and third-degree murder, possession of an instrument of crime, and reckless endangerment. Tom Hogan is the Chester County District Attorney.
This appears to be a savage, senseless, and brutal act from one human being to another human being.
According to police, Desper and Robertson were attempting to merge into a single lane of a suburban Philadelphia highway Wednesday afternoon. As they drove side by side, jockeying for position, Desper pulled out a gun and fired at Robertson, striking her in the left side of the head. Robertson was killed instantly, her car crashing into a tree along the highway. Desper's high-speed escape was captured by surveillance cameras.
For the act of pulling a gun, aiming the gun, and being able to shoot somebody in the head from one moving vehicle to another is a calculated act.
After a 3-day manhunt, investigators recovered Desper's red pickup truck and at Desper's home a .40 caliber handgun suspected of being used in the shooting. According to court documents, Desper had a permit to carry the gun, which he purchased in November 2015.
He just shot my baby. He just shot my baby.
Robertson was apparently on her way back from shopping when the incident occurred. Her parents said she was preparing for her first year at Jacksonville University.
She was a good girl, loved by many, never bothered anybody. She was just a sweet girl.
A source close to Desper's family told CBS News they are devastated. His attorney declined to comment, except to say that Desper voluntarily surrendered himself to police. He is being held in the Chester County Prison without bail. Rena?
Today, a judge sentenced a Delaware County man to decades behind bars for fatally shooting an 18-year-old girl in a fit of road rage. Eyewitness News reporter Alicia Nieves was in the courtroom when David Desper's sentence was handed down today. She joins us now from Westchester, where she spoke to families of the victim and her killer. Alicia?
Yuki, both families left the courtroom today agreeing that the judge's sentencing was fair, both losing a loved one in a sense. So when they left the courthouse today, David Desper's family has a chance still of seeing him in 20 to 40 years, although that will never happen for Bianca Robertson's family. 20 to 40 years in prison, that is what a judge gave this Delaware County man after an emotional sentencing hearing.
I would just ask that everyone please continue to pray for the Robertson family. I would appreciate it.
How difficult has this been for you as the mom?
It's been horrible.
The convicted and sentenced killer's mother telling everyone after the hearing to pray for the victim's family. A family that lost 18-year-old Bianca Robertson in June of 2017 when he, David Desper, shot her in the head in an act of road rage.
I want to thank the detectives, the lawyers, Chester County Justice System, Judge Wheatcraft, I just want to thank them all for doing the right thing.
Bianca Roberson's mother appearing strong after the hearing, but in court told a judge, quote, "I don't want to be called strong. I want to be called mom," and then pointed out that will never happen again because of David Desper. The Roberson family also revealing they lost their oldest child in 2013 to a heart condition, and Bianca was all they had left. David Desper in court cried as he told the judge he was remorseful and, quote, "so sorry, I wish I could take it back," adding that one day he hoped to speak with the Roberson family.
I have no reason to speak with him. No, not at all. I'll never see my daughter again. So I don't need to talk to him about anything. The decision today has been made, and that's it.
David Desper has a chance of getting out of jail before he is 50 years old. Bianca Roberson's family pointing out that still gives him the chance of living a relatively full life, while Bianca did not. Live in Chester County, Alicia Nieves, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Alicia, thank you.